In this video, I'll walk you through every step to download the free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. It's straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to set it up on your PC or Mac. Start by clicking the link in the description below. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Premiere Pro page, the safest place to download the software. Once you're there, find and click the Start Free Trial button. You'll be asked to select a plan: individual, business, or student, teacher. For this guide, we'll pick the business plan to access the full 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro. You can also opt in to try Adobe Stock for 7 days, with 10 premium assets included. Click Continue to move forward. Next, enter your email and complete the form with your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you as long as you cancel before your trial ends. Review everything and click Agree and subscribe. After that, create a strong password for your new Adobe account. Adobe will then prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it and sign in using your new Adobe ID credentials. Once inside the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Apps tab, search for Premiere Pro, and click Install. The download will begin automatically, and when it finishes, you'll be ready to open Premiere Pro and start editing. That's it. You now have access to the full Premiere Pro experience during your free trial, equipped with all its powerful video editing features. If this guide was helpful, please use the description link to download Premiere Pro safely from Adobe and support our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.